Unreal.
Hi everyone, welcome again to WPPI 2016 conference. This is PhotoTalk with Anthony, and I'm talking to Mr. Fundy from Fundy Software, and he's going to give us an update on what's new with Fundy, as well as what to expect. Okay, welcome Fundy.
Hey man, so good to be here.
All right, great to have you. Tell us a little bit of a quick history of the Fundy software, and then give us up to date what's going on.
All right, so we started in 2008 and as a Photoshop plugin, and my goal was to completely change photo design to jump out of templates. I feel like templates are really constrictive, so we patented our drop zone technology, so you can design without templates, you can do whatever you want, move your images wherever you want. And in this past year, we've also added Fundy Direct, where you can order your albums directly from the application to the manufacturer, so you don't have to export and go through Rose or any online forms, which is awesome. We also launched Gallery Designer last year, which is for doing in-person sales with wall art. And then what we're really excited about now is we've just introduced version 7 with 3 new features. One is a professional image browser where you can storyboard out your album if you'd like. And we've introduced 150 new designs in our quick design picker. So every spread you have over 150 different options, and then you can customize from there. But our big wow feature this year is the very first truly professional auto album design. So you can do a rough draft of your entire album in about 3 seconds.
Right, and then of course Fundy Software started with some a smaller amount of products, and now you've increased those. Now, is it for what type of photographer? Wedding, portrait, lifestyle, everybody?
So I would say if you are a wedding or portrait photographer of any kind, we have a solution for you. So our 2 anchor products are Album Builder for designing your albums. We have more options than anybody else out there in the freedom of design and the quality and the speed, and then designing wall art and running in-person sales sessions. So if you are a photographer that does albums or do in-person sales sessions with wall art, we're a solution for you.
Right, and then what's the final part of the workflow, the printing? How does that work?
So the printing, we have over 100 labs with all of their sizes in there, and you can export those spreads to JPEG or the wall collages to JPEGs and order through your lab. But for some of the biggest album and labs in the United States and soon in Europe, you can just click a button and send the order directly from Fundy Designer.
Right, and any show specials at this time?
Yes, so we have the show special. We have 30% off any of our products or the entire suite. You get a really cool t-shirt if you buy here at the show, and then also if you purchase Album Builder or the suite, you get a free 1-year subscription to our design proofing service that you can send a link out to your clients, and they can tag any changes on their designs and then send that back.
Right. Could you mind giving us the price points on some of the products?
Sure. So the 2 main products, Album Builder is $279 and Gallery Designer is $249, or the full suite is $499 for everything, and 30% off from there.
Right, and that's one-time charge?
Yeah, one-time fee. We do an update about every 1.5 years, and then if you need to pay for an update, it's usually about 25 or 30% of the original price.
Right, and of course, please tell us your website.
So, fundydesigner.com.
FundyDesigner.com, that's pretty easy.
Yep.
Anything else you want to add today? Because we're here at WPPI with wedding, of course, photographers, portraiture, and so on. What is it that they like the best about your product?
I think what they like the best about our product is that it's super fast. They can get their work done really fast, but they don't give up any of the control. So not only can you get things done really fast, but you're in full control of the designs and how they look and where you put things, and it's really fast to make changes.
And for those who are not computer savvy, it's a pretty user-friendly interface?
Yeah, really user-friendly interface, and if you've never designed an album before, you're going to love version 7. You can get a rough draft of your album done just with 1 click.
Wow, and then I heard something about one feature where it puts it all together for you?
Exactly. So that's our patent-pending auto album design. We check the timestamp of when the photos were taken. We cluster everything together, and we lay out your entire album with 1 click.
And any number of pages and so on?
Any number of pages. You choose the number of pages and the number of images you want to include, and we do the work.
And then it's up to the photographer to figure out the quality of the book itself, the photo book material.
So as far as ordering the book, you choose your lab and your book size when you start designing, and then when you go to the order process, that's when you can choose your cover material, any imprinting, anything you want from there. So we support all the options that are available through your lab.
Well, actually his name is Andrew Funderburg. Funderburg.
Funderburg, yeah.
Funderburg,
Yeah.
and he likes to be called Fundy, and that's fine with me. And so thank you, Mr. Fundy, for your time, giving us all the information on the funding software.
Yeah, stop on by booth 1325.
Yeah, you're welcome.